In this video, we are going to review Cursor versus Cline, two popular options in 2025, but which one is the best for you? Cursor lines are modern, fast, super easy to set up. You can chat directly with your code, refactor files instantly, and generate new components, or debug bugs with a single command. It's fast, accurate, and deeply integrated. It's ideal for developers who want real-time collaboration with AI inside the editor. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at C-Line, C-Line is a rising star focused on natural language coding. Think of it like ChatGPT for developers, but built into your terminal and GIT workflow. Use Cursor if you want full AI coding assistant embedded in your editor, and go with C-Line if you are a command line power user and want fast scriptable help.